The recommendations regarding the length are indicated for a 7-channel microelectrode matrix. The length of the individual electrode components are depending on the microelectrode system used. The appropriate dimensions are to be obtained from Thomas recording. The individual materials as silicon tube or monofilament cord can be cut according to the film guidelines. It is also possible to obtain these materials from us already cut and configured. From both sides there will be individual special steel tubes pushed into the pulling tube. Afterwards, the silver wire and the monofilament will be inserted together into a silver hull. The prepared silicon tube with the 2 special steel tubes will be inserted into the silver hull from the other side. With the help of special crimp tongues, the individual components will be connected. A thin silicon tube has to be pulled over the silver wire for insulation. In order to connect the electrode to the preamplifier, the silver wire will be connected with a gold socket. The gold socket has to be shortened prior to the soldering process in order to reduce size and weight of the socket. After the soldering process, the gold socket will be insulated with a shrinkable sleeve. In order to prevent the monofilament from unwinding from the motor winding disc of the microelectrode manipulator, you have to attach a little metal stopper at the top of the monofilament. The stopper will be clamped together with flat tongues in order to prevent it from sliding over the shrunk end of the monofilament. At the end of the assembling, you have to test if all components are well connected.